today I want to show you how you can achieve this glowy Igari makeup. So let's hop right into it. For lenses, I'm wearing Olens, and these are the Olens highlighter in brown. Igari makeup has a very light and soft base, so that's why we're gonna do color correcting first. And I'm gonna use the Luna Concealer Blender palette. First, I'm gonna use the green to cancel out any redness. I'm gonna use it very lightly on my nose and on my cheeks. I'm also gonna blend it a little bit with a little tiny beauty blender. Then with this peach and red shade, I'm gonna cover the shadows around my eyes and nose area. And the beauty blender. Then I'm using this cushion foundation, one of my favorites by Clio, in number 3 linen. I'm gonna apply in the middle of my face first, and then I kind of blend it outwards. And we just need a little bit. I also like to use my beauty blender in between because sometimes it's really hard to really get around my nose and eye area. And I really like to take my time with this because the base is the key. Also, you should use a semi-matte or a glowy foundation. That's the base makeup. I'm quickly gonna do my eyebrows with a very soft ashy color. On my last shooting, they actually gave me straight brows, which I don't really like, so I really try to get back to my original eyebrow shape. Then we're gonna do some contour. This one is by Atlas, still one of my favorites. And we have to go really light on the contour. So essentially just the sides with a really light hand. Also lips and nose. Just go really, really light. This look is all about the blush. So first, for the eyes, I'm gonna use this palette by Daisik. Then I'm gonna use the lightest peachy shade and set my under eyes. And then I use this pinky shade and go on top. As you see, the under eye bag is kind of popping now. If you still want to pop a little bit more, you can do Yesstyle as well with the same contour shade. And just go under the fat just a little bit. Don't go from all the front to all the back, or it would look very unnatural. So then you're gonna decide on a blush color, usually a very muted rosy pink, because you're also gonna use this as an eyeshadow. I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand and use it as an eyeshadow. And I literally just use my finger and dab it on, and it actually, most of the time, turns out really good. And lastly, I'm gonna use a peach shade, kind of, and go in the crease and blend everything together. I'm gonna use the same blush for blush, and I'm gonna place it really high right under my eye, centered. I use cream products for this look because it really gives you that glow. I'm also putting it on my nose and my chin. Jokes on me, I decided to go a little bit on top with a little bit of powder blush from Daisik. And I'm going to use these two shades. Back to the eye makeup that I didn't even finish. I use a brown liner and tightline my eyes. And then you can use a brown eyeshadow or brown pencil liner. And I literally just darken the corner of my eyes. Like this, not even a liner, just like, you know, curling my lashes and using a brown mascara, trying to make it long and wispy, focus in the center. Then we take some highlighter. This beautiful highlighter is by Flower Nose in number 3. Can't even tell you how much I love this one. And we want this glow, so We put it on our cheeks and cheekbones. And nose, obviously. As for my favorite parts, the lips, I'm going to use these two products. These one from House of Horror in number 3, Dawn Pink. I'm obsessed with these lately. And I'm also going to use by Hologram their clear gloss. Just watch, it's absolutely beautiful. Please don't look at my chubby lips. I forgot to contour my lips. Literally just 2 lines and then blend them. And it makes your lip pop. Gloss on top. I also like to draw my beauty marks with the brown liner. And if you have pimples anywhere or any spots you want to cover, just make them a beauty spot. So I'm just going to make, lastly, a glowy fixing spray. And there you have it, the perfect Glowy Igari makeup.